Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to just take you on a quick trip through Hobby Lobby with me to check out some of their Easter and spring ideas. This is just for inspiration. A lot of these things you can make with things that you already have at home. And I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who's been praying for my mom after she had a stroke. I'm leaving tonight to go to Montana to check on her, and I'll keep you updated when I get back. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Right, Maxwell? Okay, I'm going to run into Hobby Lobby today, kind of check out some of the new arrivals on their Easter and spring things. These little spoon holders, you could use these to put candy in. They'd really be pretty if you covered them with some cellophane gift wrap and tied a nice bow on them. What a great gift that would be. Okay, these little vases, they're pretty just like they are, or you could paint them up with white, put a little wooden Easter egg in it that's been decorated up. And then these little bunnies, I got a couple of these last year and I dressed them up. I'll give you the link for that video in the description below. But you can dress them up, put little pants on them, put little skirts on them. They end up turning out so pretty when you do that. Got a lot of little things that you could use for embellishments, like if you wanted to put the carrots into a floral arrangement or something like that. They got a lot of little embellishments that you could add to your different craft projects. I'm going to come back and get these when they go on 40% off because I thought these were so cute, but I didn't want to spend $5.99 for these. I'm going to wait till they go down a little bit. These would be great addition to like if you did a neutral palette or anything with wood. Have a large variety of the different Easter grass colors and a huge variety of the different baskets. Now, I tend to like the baskets at the Dollar Tree a little bit better because they're not quite as big. So if you're filling them up for your grandkids or your kids for Easter, you don't have to put so much stuff in it because it can get a little bit pricey. But I did like the little baskets with the Easter bunny face on them. I think you could take a regular coffee can and some of the Dollar Tree clothesline rope and kind of replicate this. I am going to give that a shot. And you can also do the same thing with jute. I thought this little carrot basket was really pretty. I think you could replicate that with a cardboard base and some yarn. Jumbo eggs are so fun to decorate because you can decorate those so many different ways and then put them on one of the Dollar Tree candlestick holders to display them. Okay, these little colorful bowls were pretty. You get 5 in a pack for $4.49, so they're already under $1 a piece. You could add handles to them, make a little Easter basket with them with some eggs and things in them, or you could turn them over, add a charger on top, and you'd have a cake stand. That would be so pretty. Okay, I thought these were the deal of the day. These ended up being $2.39 on sale. They are super big. You could put these with a big egg on top of it. I think that they would be so pretty that way. You could put them out on your front porch, you know, get several colors of them. I'm definitely going to pick up a couple of these. I thought these chargers were so pretty. You could do a lot of craft projects with chargers, but they had so many pretty colors, and these ended up being on sale for about $1.43 a piece. I did pick up one of the white ones and take it home, but I am going to come back and get some more. If you go out to the store and just kind of video the seasonal stuff that you're thinking about buying and then go home and review your video, pick out things that you want to go back and get when it goes on sale, and it'll save you so much money, and then you won't have extra stuff laying around that you didn't use at all. But those were $1.43 each, and they're very, very thick. And I am always a big sucker for the garland because you can go home and take it all apart. I mean, you could take those lemons off of there and use those in so many projects just separately. You could do a wreath with those. Garlands are a great buy because you get a lot of things on each one and you can dissect it and use it for different projects. These beads were super pretty. It'd cost you more in time to paint these than to buy these like this and just take them apart. If you like giving out little treats during Easter, little cookies and things like that, these are some really cute little sacks and little bags that you can purchase. If you also are looking for some table decor, they've got a lot of different table decor. And look how cute that little yard decor is. Look how cute that is. Okay, I'm definitely coming back for a couple of these little rabbits. These little wooden rabbits are about 1 inch thick. They're around $4 and something right now, but at 40% off, they will be a good buy. And I am going to come back and pick up a couple of these for a couple projects. And depending on your decorating style, whether you're very neutral or you like a lot of color, they have a lot of different bunnies and a lot of different eggs. And those little rabbits all dressed up, I think those are just adorable. Okay, if you're enjoying the video today, be sure and give me a big thumbs up because it really does help my channel. Thank you so much. They have some cute little bunny wreath frames. They have these at Dollar Tree too, but these are a little bit thicker than the ones at Dollar Tree. And once they go on sale, I think they definitely are a good buy. And they have some really pretty wreaths, but if you kind of just look at theirs and you can replicate it, just go to Dollar Tree, get some of the multicolored eggs and then some of the flowers that they have. I think you could replicate that pretty inexpensively. And then these little hats right here, these are super cute. Now they are a little bit pricey as well, so I think I am going to do a video showing you how to make those from scratch. I do have some real colorful tulips. I am going to come back and grab some of these when they go on sale. They have these in these two colors of the pink, and then they also have those in like a pale yellow color as well. The garland with the eggs on it, the first ones they're like a little styrofoam egg, but look how many you get. You could use these for embellishments on so many different projects. Just take them home, take them apart. I'm definitely coming back for some of the larger eggs. Those are kind of a styrofoam flocked egg, and you get quite a bit on this one little string. And once they go on 40% off, they're definitely going to be a good buy. But you definitely can take garland apart. That's what I do on most of the garland that I buy. I usually never use it for garland. And then the little bunnies, you can take those apart and use those. If you do gift baskets or if you do food gifts, those would be so cute on the outside of like a bag. Even just a paper bag, they would be cute on. And these flowers right here, you could definitely replicate those using felt. These little yard tulips, I thought those were so pretty. They're just under $4.50. So once they go on sale, they'll be real reasonable. I think those would be so pretty if you just kind of put a few of them walking up your walkway, going up to your front door. They have a huge variety of eggs this year. They have just about every color you can think of. Pastels, brights, they even had some metallics. They had a lot of neutrals too, which I really do like the neutrals. And these little speckled eggs, you could replicate that real easily by dipping a toothbrush into some black paint and then just rubbing your finger through it over the top of your eggs. And these little eggs right here, you could create an Easter-themed Christmas tree if you use one of the Dollar Tree white Christmas trees. Add some ribbon to those to hang them by. And then I am going to pick up some of these little sprinkles. I think these would be really cute on like a fake baked cupcake or even a cake. And if you did a cake, you could sprinkle on top and you could put the little styrofoam eggs all the way around it. These jumbo eggs are so cute. You could actually fill these with a bunch of the Dollar Tree things if you're going to gift these to like your kids or your grandkids. They would also be cute in those big solo cups that I showed you. Now I am going to get a pack of these. These have a flat bottom on them, and I am going to make some like Fabergé type eggs, and I'll show you that in a video coming up. Okay, and I wish these showed up better in the video. They're little chocolate bunnies. You get 4 of them in a pack. They look so real. When I took mine out of the pack when I got them home, and I'll show you here at the end, I'll take a pack of them and open them up. But they are so cute. These would be so cute on just about any project that you want to do. But they definitely do look like real chocolate bunnies. If you're looking for any grass for your projects, this is a great buy. This is a table runner, so it goes the full length of your table. And these will go on sale, and they're going to be definitely affordable at that point. Okay, here's some of the things I picked up today. I did pick up one of these little rabbit wreaths. It's a little bit thicker than the Dollar Tree one. And for the price point, actually right here, it's not 40% off yet, but it still was a pretty good buy. These chargers are already on sale. They end up being $1.43 a piece. They're super thick. You could use these on a lot of different projects, and you can also use them on your tablescape year-round. Pick up one of these bunnies today. I am going to go back and pick up another one when they go on sale. But definitely, these are super cute, and they're super thick. I mean, they end up being $4.49, but once they go on sale, they'll definitely be affordable. These are the little chocolate bunnies I was showing you. Look how cute that is. And they're right now, they're $2.99. So if you do go to Hobby Lobby, you might want to grab you a pack of these because I think that they will sell out. I did grab a pack of these eggs because they stand up, but they're pretty big. You could seal them up. You could paint them. You could do some paper mache on them. You could do some decoupage on them. These are pretty good size, and since they do stand up by themselves, I thought these were a good buy. I did pick up one of these big flocked eggs. You could do so many things with this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with mine yet, but I may make a chicken out of it. Pick up one of the yellow solo cups. These end up measuring 8 inches tall by 10 inches wide. These would be so cute if you put a lot of filler in the bottom of them and then put some lemons on top. It'd be cute for your kitchen for spring. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope it gave you some inspiration. If you like these kind of videos, be sure and give me a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when I have a new video upload. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if nobody's told you today, you're awesome. See you next time. Thanks for watching.